Tema, Teledyne Photometrics partners with Photon AG. Teledyne Photometric, a division of Teledyne Technologies, announced a strategic partnership with image compression solution provider Photon AG that will enable robust storage of the large amounts of images generated by scientific imaging using integrated combination of products from the two companies. Judy Sam, marketing manager at Teledyne Photometric, notes that this partnership is a move to resolve prohibitive that storage issues caused by the large amounts of data generated during modern scientific imaging. Desai explained, our Kinetics CMOS high-speed scientific camera is capable of generating 4.9 gigabits of data per second. Solutions such as data phones, JETRO are necessary for efficiency post-acquisition data management. JETRO, metrologically accurate raw imaging compression software, reduces image data volume by as much as 10 and is compatible with most visualization and processing software. JETRO uses a full information theoretical mode of the image acquisition process based on the physical properties of both the light and the sensor to ensure optimal performance. Photon is a Swiss technology company that provides innovative data management solution for large image data. Photon's metrologically correct approach to image compression enables file size reduction by a factor of 6 until 10 while preserving the quality of image and improves the experience of managing large datasets.